Hello teacher, Unity 3, Task 5, Technology Wise 5. My name is Ovidio Ramos. How has technology changed human life in your community? Technology has positive changed life in my community because why the arrival of COVID-19. Technology has been of great help, especially for students. Was unable to attend class in person. From this told the way to shorten the distances. To continue the education during this harsh pandemic. What's positive and negative? Positive significant I because technology has positive aspect in the community, soon as implementation of new system to digital platform, the information of platform of distances students more others. In negative, I think excesses the uncontrolled usage of technology, weight costs, and distances in families enriches families of the affective relations. Generalize adicción into technology debes de la medida de sus sociales new because addiction.